I had a project in mind, so I'm zooming over to the dollar store right now. So I purchased these clear Christmas balls from the dollar store, and you can get them for $1.25 for both, for two of them. So it comes in a set, and you need to remove the top clasp, but don't throw it away. Of course, don't throw it away. If you want your final Christmas ball project to be hanging on a tree, but I didn't take it off anyway. I kept it back on after I finished my project because I can either display it in a bowl or hang it later. Okay, so this did not turn out the way I wanted it to be. Why? Because I decoupaged it on a clear ball. So I need to fix that. And I'm going to put some white gesso inside and try to coat the whole inside of white gesso to see what or how it would turn out. If it would turn out a little bit better with a white background, I think it will, because the part where there's an overlap looks really nice. And that's another thing, the overlap part does not match the part where there's only one layer. So we'll see what happens. I got this white gesso and I'm going to pour it inside the ball and swirl it around. I think it's going to work. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Well, it looks a little better. The end ones are actually nicer white background than these are still looking a little bit transparent, so I'm going to repeat. So I strung the lights inside before I put the clasp back on so that some of the lights would go inside the actual ball. And here they are in their glory. Oh, don't forget one thing, to seal it with Mod Podge or whatever sealer you want.